Good morning, everyone. I'm delighted to welcome you all today. Thank you for joining this session. Today, we'll be exploring the exciting role of AI in drug discovery and pharma manufacturing. The presentation is titled AI in Drug Discovery and Pharma Manufacturing, and I'll be sharing insights into how artificial intelligence is transforming these critical fields. Over the next few minutes, we'll look at some key developments, challenges, and opportunities that AI brings to healthcare innovation. So, let's dive in and discover what the future holds. Let's start with a key statistic that really highlights the potential of AI in this field. AI can reduce early-stage drug discovery timelines by up to 60%. That's a huge leap forward in how quickly new medicines can reach patients. Now, why does the pharmaceutical industry need AI? Well, traditional processes are incredibly time-consuming, often taking between 10 to 15 years to bring a single drug to market. They're also extremely expensive, with costs reaching between $1 to $2 billion per drug. Not to mention, these processes carry high risks and have pretty low success rates. Adding to the complexity, the biological data involved is massive and complicated, making it even more challenging to navigate using traditional methods. This is where AI is truly revolutionizing pharma. It's helping us accelerate drug discovery, predicting how drugs will behave much earlier in the process. AI also improves manufacturing efficiency, enhances quality control, and supports personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual patients for better outcomes. So, in essence, AI is transforming the way we develop and deliver medicines, making the process faster, smarter, and more efficient. Now, let's dive into what AI actually is in this industry. Let's take a closer look at the technologies we're leveraging in this space. First up is machine learning, or ML, which involves algorithms that learn from data to make predictions or decisions. Deep learning, a subset of ML, uses neural networks to handle complex patterns and large datasets. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows us to analyze and understand human language, which is crucial when working with scientific literature and patient records. Computer vision helps interpret visual data, such as medical images, aiding in diagnostics and research. Generative AI is particularly exciting because it can create new molecules and compounds, opening up new possibilities in drug development. Now, how does AI fit into drug discovery? AI plays a transformative role across major stages. First, in target identification, AI helps pinpoint genes or proteins that cause diseases, giving us potential targets for new drugs. Next, in molecule screening, AI predicts which chemical compounds are most likely to be effective, significantly speeding up the process. Then, in drug design, generative AI can craft entirely new molecules tailored for specific purposes, which was previously a very manual and time-consuming task. AI also facilitates drug repurposing by finding new uses for existing drugs, saving time and resources. In clinical trial optimization, AI helps select the right patients and predicts trial outcomes, making the process more efficient. All these applications are powered by analyzing massive datasets, from genomics and clinical trials to scientific literature, chemical databases, and patient records. This ability to process and interpret vast amounts of data is what truly accelerates and enhances our drug discovery efforts. Let's talk about the impact of AI in drug discovery. One of the most significant benefits is the faster identification of promising molecules. AI can analyze vast chemical spaces much more quickly than traditional methods, which means we can find potential drug candidates in a fraction of the time. This also leads to reduced laboratory testing, because AI helps us prioritize the most promising compounds before we even step into the lab. By narrowing down the options early on, we save both time and resources. Another key point is the increased success probability. AI-driven models can predict how molecules will behave more accurately, helping us select better candidates for development. This improves the chances of clinical success down the line. Finally, AI enhances the overall accuracy of our predictions. Instead of relying solely on trial and error, We leverage sophisticated algorithms that can analyze complex biological data, leading to more reliable outcomes. All these factors together are transforming drug discovery into a faster, more efficient, and more precise process, which ultimately accelerates bringing new medicines to patients. Let's take a closer look at how natural language processing, or NLP, is transforming the pharmaceutical industry. NLP allows us to extract meaningful insights from vast amounts of scientific literature and medical records, helping researchers stay up to date and make informed decisions more quickly. It's used heavily in research automation, literature reviews, and pharmacovigilance, which is all about monitoring drug safety post-approval. Moving on, robotics combined with AI brings automation to a new level by integrating intelligent decision-making capabilities. This synergy is used in automated laboratories, making workflows more efficient, as well as in smart manufacturing systems that enhance precision and consistency. Quality inspection is another critical area where robotics and AI work together to ensure products meet the highest standards. Now, looking at the AI technologies used in pharma, machine learning is a key player. It learns from historical data to identify patterns, which can then be applied to predict drug efficacy, assess toxicity, and analyze clinical trial outcomes. These predictions can significantly accelerate the development process and reduce risks. Deep learning, on the other hand, employs neural networks to tackle complex biological challenges. For example, it's used in predicting protein structures, modeling molecular interactions, and even in image-based diagnostics. These advanced techniques are opening new frontiers in understanding biology at a deeper level and improving diagnostic accuracy. All of these technologies, NLP, robotics, machine learning, and deep learning, are interconnected pieces of a larger digital transformation in pharma. They help us become more efficient, precise, and innovative in developing and delivering better medicines. Let's take a closer look at some of the remarkable achievements in this field. First, we solved a protein folding challenge that had stumped scientists for over 50 years. This was a major breakthrough, opening new doors in understanding how proteins work. We also predicted millions of protein structures, vastly expanding our knowledge and providing valuable data for researchers around the world. These advancements are accelerating biological research globally, helping scientists make new discoveries faster than ever before. Now, you might be wondering why protein structure really matters. Well, proteins are at the core of many biological processes. They determine how diseases develop, how drugs interact with our bodies, and what biological functions are carried out at the cellular level. So, understanding their structure is crucial for medical and biological insights. When it comes to drug discovery, these structural predictions have a huge impact. They enable faster identification of targets, improve how we design new drugs, and reduce the costs associated with experimental testing. Ultimately, this leads to a better understanding of diseases, paving the way for more effective treatments. A great example of this is AlphaFold, an AI system developed by DeepMind. So, what exactly is AlphaFold? It's an advanced AI that predicts the three-dimensional structures of proteins with impressive accuracy. This breakthrough has been instrumental in transforming our approach to biological research and drug development, aligning perfectly with our overall theme of harnessing AI to revolutionize science. Let's take a closer look at how AI is transforming clinical trials. As many of you know, clinical trials are some of the most expensive and time-consuming parts of developing new drugs. That's where AI comes in to make a real difference. First, AI helps with patient recruitment by analyzing medical records to identify suitable participants more quickly and accurately. This not only speeds up the process, but also ensures we find the right patients for the trial. Next, predictive analytics comes into play. AI can forecast the likely success of a trial and predict how patients might respond, reducing uncertainty and helping us make more informed decisions early on. Monitoring and safety are also crucial. AI continuously tracks side effects and adverse reactions in real time, enabling quicker responses if issues arise. That improves patient safety and trial integrity. Data management is another key area. AI can process vast amounts of clinical data rapidly, making it easier to handle and analyze information that would be overwhelming otherwise. Overall, these AI-driven improvements lead to faster trials, lower costs, safer patient experiences, and a higher chance of success. This aligns perfectly with our goal of making drug development more efficient and patient-centric. Let's take a closer look at AI in pharma manufacturing. AI enables us to create intelligent, automated, and data-driven processes that significantly improve efficiency. One of the key applications is predictive maintenance, where AI can forecast machine failures before they happen, helping us prevent costly breakdowns and reduce downtime. Another crucial area is quality control, where computer vision systems are used to detect defects in tablets, packaging, and labeling, ensuring consistent product quality. AI also plays a vital role in supply chain optimization by accurately forecasting demand and managing inventory more effectively. The overall result of integrating AI into manufacturing is higher productivity, along with lower waste and operational costs. Now, when we talk about smart factory features, we're referring to robotics automation, real-time monitoring, IoT-enabled equipment, and AI-driven analytics. These components work together to make manufacturing more agile and responsive. Finally, process optimization is another important aspect. AI helps us fine-tune parameters like temperature, pressure, mixing conditions, and production speed to ensure optimal manufacturing conditions. All of these innovations are interconnected and contribute to making pharma manufacturing smarter, safer, and more efficient. Now, let's talk about the overall impact of AI on healthcare. AI is truly transforming the way we approach medical services. It's making healthcare faster, meaning diagnoses and treatments can be delivered more quickly. It's also making it smarter, enhancing decision-making with advanced data analysis. Plus, AI helps make healthcare more affordable by reducing costs and more accessible, reaching more people around the world. Focusing on pharma specifically, AI offers major advantages. One key benefit is faster drug discovery. By speeding up the research process, AI can cut down years of traditional development time, bringing new treatments to patients sooner. It also helps reduce costs by minimizing expensive trial-and-error experiments that used to take a lot of resources. Another important point is improved accuracy. AI's ability to make better predictions helps reduce failure rates in drug development and diagnostics. This means more reliable outcomes. AI is also enabling personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual patients based on their genetics, which leads to more effective therapies. When it comes to manufacturing, AI boosts efficiency through automation, ensuring consistency and increasing productivity. And ultimately, all these advancements translate into better patient outcomes, earlier diagnoses, more targeted treatments, and improved health results overall. So, in essence, AI is revolutionizing healthcare by making it faster, smarter, more affordable, and more accessible for everyone. When we consider the ethical concerns surrounding AI in healthcare, a few key questions come to mind. First, transparency is crucial. Patients and providers need to understand how decisions are made. Accountability is equally important. We must know who is responsible when something goes wrong. And human oversight remains vital to ensure that AI complements rather than replaces the judgment of healthcare professionals. Moving on to challenges and risks, data privacy is a top priority. Protecting patient data is not just a legal requirement, but an ethical one, given the sensitivity of health information. Regulatory challenges also play a significant role. AI systems must undergo rigorous validation and approval processes to ensure safety and efficacy before they can be widely adopted. Another consideration is the high initial investment. Implementing AI solutions can be costly, requiring significant resources upfront for technology, infrastructure, and training. Bias in AI models is a concern as well. If the data used is of poor quality or not representative, it can lead to inaccurate predictions, which could impact patient care. There's also the challenge of a skilled workforce. We need professionals who understand both AI technology and the intricacies of life sciences, which is a specialized skill set that's still developing. Finally, I want to emphasize an important note. AI is a tool to support scientists and doctors. It's not about replacing them entirely. Instead, it empowers healthcare providers to make better, more informed decisions while they focus on the human aspects of care. Now, let's look ahead to the future of AI in pharma. One exciting area is generative AI for molecule design. This technology can automatically create new chemical structures, speeding up the discovery of potential drugs. It's like having a virtual chemist working tirelessly in the background. Next, we have digital twins. These are virtual models that simulate manufacturing processes and biological systems, allowing us to test and optimize treatments or production methods without real-world risks. It's a powerful way to improve efficiency and safety. Moving on, AI-powered personalized medicine is transforming how we treat patients. By analyzing genetic profiles, AI helps tailor treatments specifically for each individual, increasing effectiveness and reducing side effects. This is truly personalized healthcare. Then there are autonomous laboratories. These robotic labs can conduct experiments with minimal human oversight. They work around the clock, accelerating research and freeing up scientists for more complex tasks. Another key development is the integration of AI with genomics. This combination is paving the way for precision medicine, especially in challenging areas like cancer and rare diseases, where targeted treatments can make a big difference. Looking at the big picture, the future vision includes faster cures, lower medicine costs, and more accurate, personalized treatments. We're heading toward intelligent healthcare ecosystems that are more connected, efficient, and patient-centric. And the most exciting part, many experts predict that AI-driven pharma could become a multi-trillion-dollar industry within the next decade, revolutionizing how we develop and deliver medicines. As we come to the conclusion, it's clear that AI is truly transforming the entire pharmaceutical value chain. From drug discovery to manufacturing, AI is making processes faster, more cost-effective, and more accurate. This means we can bring new medicines to patients more quickly and with greater precision. In manufacturing, AI-driven techniques are improving quality control and boosting efficiency, which benefits both producers and patients by ensuring safer, higher-quality products. Clinical trials are also becoming smarter and more patient-focused, allowing us to gather better data and tailor treatments more effectively. AI is playing a crucial role in supporting personalized medicine, paving the way for healthcare innovations that are tailored to each individual's unique needs. When we think about the bigger picture, integrating AI with pharmaceutical science has the potential to revolutionize healthcare globally and save millions of lives. Ultimately, the future of medicine isn't just about biology anymore. It's also about intelligence. And that's what makes this transformation so exciting and so promising for the future. For further support, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you implement what you've learned today and answer any questions you might have. Remember, this presentation is just the starting point. Ongoing support can really make a difference. If you need assistance, reach out through the contact information provided. And finally, I want to thank you all for your time and attention. Your commitment to this topic is what makes a real difference. Thank you again, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.